Okay, so in this video I will show you my brand new watch face I have created for the Watchmaker app. This time it's a Breitling Avenger Blackbird 44, and you will find links down below where to download it and install it. Unfortunately, I have a very old Android Wear watch, so I can't run it without having it on the charger because the battery is totally wasted on this one. But I will show you how to install it. First download it from my website and then install it on this old watch. And as I said, you find links down below in the description text. So let's start by going to my website www.swartling.net, and there you go to watch faces, and then you go down in the watch faces blog post like here and see all the watch faces I have done. And then you scroll down to Breitling watch faces like so. And here we see the new one, the Breitling Avenger Blackbird 44. Breitling Avenger Blackbird 44. Click on that. And now you have opened the page for this brand new watch face, as you can see here. This is how it will look on your watch. And you can scroll down more. And down here you see 3 links, one download and one link to all my watch faces, and one link on how to download and install my watch faces for free. But let's click on download. And here you click on this button down here and then choose Open in Watchmaker. You can choose always or just once. For now I take just once. Now it downloads and now it's open into Watchmaker app. So this is the Watchmaker app. So now it's mounted in the Watchmaker app on your Android phone. So now it should just be to click on this button to transfer it to the watch. But as I said, this watch is very old, so I have some problems sometimes to send it over. So we will try for a while now. Let's click on transfer. Now it starts to send the watch face to my watch, as you can see. And now it has transferred to the watch itself, as you can see here, and looks gorgeous to me. Really gorgeous, as you can see. There is no fancy features though this time. I haven't added any weather station, I haven't added any auto dimming. I work with Android Wear OS watches and also all the Galaxy watches out there and so on. But stop, please ask me if they work for your watch or not, because I don't know that. So contact the watchmaker developers instead. They are the ones that add support for all the different watches, not me. I don't know if your watch works with Watchmaker. If your watch works with Watchmaker, my watch faces works too. No difference. Okay, bye.